Space.
Once a distant dream. Now a vital part of life on Earth. Space technology has become essential to how we live, connect, and protect our planet. From powering global communications to monitoring climate change. But how else can we use space to improve life on Earth? That's the question behind Viasat, Space for Good. We've invited students from across the UK, US, and India to imagine solutions that use space technology to improve life on Earth. And in the UK, we are here because we believe the next generation of thinkers, builders, and leaders shouldn't just inherit this world and the space around it, they should have the opportunity to shape it for their own future.
Good morning and welcome to our student finalists, our mentors, and our chaperones to the 2025 Viasat Space for Good UK Challenge.
It feels amazing to be in our second year of Space for Good. This year we're coming in with a bit more confidence, but the program has expanded. We're doing A-levels and university. So I have no doubt that it's going to be equally as incredible this year.
The most valuable part of the Space for Good program for me so far has been the opportunity to work directly with industry mentors.
I'm mentoring an A-level student and seeing his enthusiasm, creativity firsthand is super rewarding, but also nurturing the next generation of thinkers, and I think this program brings it all together, so that's super rewarding.
I think I'm feeling really excited. I've seen the office, I've seen the people that work here, and it's given me a big boost of inspiration on what's possible, and maybe one day I can be in the same position.
The most valuable part of the Space for Good program is that it helped me connect with other people around my sector. I've never met that many people doing maths, physics, further maths.
What's been really nice about this is when I said that I wanted to take this to be something that I could expand upon and found, I was very much encouraged and sort of even encouraged to treat this as like a pitch.
I think with my idea and getting to know about the broader ideas and how the issues that we're facing here on Earth and how we can use current technology to be adapted to help things in the future, I think that is the most fascinating thing for me.
I love the fact that it kind of puts me in a position where I could be on the forefront of innovation, and makes me feel like I'm making a difference in the world, because I really want to help people and use space for good.
Space, and in particular Viasat, is a great place to work. This is the sorts of place that you might want to aspire to.
So this is a great way of actually raising our profile and also giving those young people an opportunity to do some early learning.
I want all of the participants in this year's event to walk away inspired. I want them to walk away inspired not only because they've been able to share their ideas, but because they've been able to learn from others, including our students, who I'm positive are going to have some amazing ideas and will make an incredible impression on all of us participating in the program.
So far, no satellite has focused on near-Earth object analysis.
So I proposed a satellite-powered fashion waste monitoring system.
Looking up to the sky, instead of waiting for rain, we go directly to the source.
Project Tranquility is aimed to provide Earth with clean and affordable electricity.
Thank you all so much for today. We've heard some fantastic presentations. Now that we've heard from our student finalists, it's time to turn it over to our expert panel of judges.
I think it's going to be extremely difficult. The moderation meeting is going to be extremely challenging.
They vary so much in content, in presentation, in the impact it's going to have on our world. I don't know how we're going to make this decision.
honestly feel so elated. I am beyond shocked that my idea, which originally started from something so simple, me being inspired, has gotten so much recognition from people in the industry, and it's absolutely marvelous feeling now.
was just incredible to be able to develop an idea I came up with like industry experts, and clearly the hard work paid off with this.